Hey guys, welcome back to Xandra Dreams, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the pursuit of opportunity beyond currently controlled resources. In essence, entrepreneurs seek to fill a need in a new way. However, generating strong and novel business ideas can be quite challenging. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur, brainstorming ways you can satisfy needs and solve problems is a good place to start. And remember the golden rule of brainstorming: there are no bad ideas. As your thoughts flow, jot them down so you can later prune the list to focus on your strongest concepts. A common denominator for successful businesses is their ability to fulfill customer needs. In this case, the need is to create a product or service that makes people's lives easier. The truth is, every job presents an opportunity to create an easier way to get it done. We call it a job because it needs to be done, and we hire people or create products to get jobs done. By centering your business plan on a particular need, you can increase your chances of building a profitable business.
Sometimes I buy scents hoping that inspiration will strike me later, the same way I did with this vanilla apple cinnamon scent. And then I was like, oh, duh, apple pie. And I also have these apple molds. Speaking of which, can somebody please make a recommendation on how to best put the mica in the mold? I tried using a Q-tip and it just absorbed into the Q-tip, and I also tried using like a glove to rub it inside, but that didn't work either. Anyways, back to the soap. This scent is like apple pie. It's so warm and inviting, and it's not food. This is soap. So I made all these little apple slices, and then I made like a pie crust lattice type thing to go on top of it. And I poured some clear glycerin soap with some brown in the middle of it to hold it all together, and then just kind of put the lattice on top just like that. I can't wait to cut into this and see how it looks. Here's the cut for my vanilla apple cinnamon soap that kind of looks like pie, but it's not pie, so you can't eat it. Please don't eat it. And I'm going to ask a couple of questions this time. Normally I ask for just a name, so I still want that. I think apple pie is just too basic, so what do you guys think it should be called? And two, I cut this soap in two different ways. One with my normal like 1-inch cut, and then at the end you'll see I cut it for 2 inches. So that is like a big old block of soap. But I did that because then you can see more of the lattice on the top and see more of the apples, like whole apple slices going through the soap. And so I wanted to ask you guys, should I cut it? Should I make it available for pre-sale as the 1-inch or the 2-inch, or both? So people have an option to choose what size they want. The 2-inch would be twice as expensive as the 1-inch, so do take that into consideration.
For every successful product offering, there is a multitude of ways to make it better. Think of companies you admire and imagine how you could improve their products. Consider the delivery process, the location, the cost, and most importantly, the customer experience. Your business idea doesn't have to be entirely new. It just has to fill a need. If you can identify a more convenient way of delivering an existing service, it could be an opportunity for your business. One of the simplest improvements to a product or service is bringing it to a new location. One other improvement that can make a significant impact is cost. Determining how to make a high-quality leading product and offering it for a fraction of the price has great potential. And if there's an opportunity to improve the experience of a specific group of people, act on it and see where the opportunity leads. As you think of ideas for businesses, take inspiration from the world around you. Analyze the foundational needs other businesses have fulfilled for society and how they have adapted to what customers want. This is why it's important as a business owner to understand your company's core mission. Focusing on that can help align your startup ideas and provide a greater chance for success. Perhaps one of the most well-known companies in the world, Amazon, is a prime example of fulfilling people's need for convenience. Coming up with an innovative business idea isn't difficult if you're observant. By asking yourself key brainstorming questions, you can generate a list of business ideas that fill market needs, improve existing products, and make daily life easier and more enjoyable. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next time.